mission, Michelle empowered. Rise, conquer, shine. Face the challenge, unstoppable you. Mission, Michelle empowered.
Mission Michelle Empowered. Today we are going to do a best friend challenge to see who knows each other best. Hey besties, welcome back to our challenge, Mission Michelle Empowered. Today we are going to do a best friend challenge to see who knows each other best. I miss my friends from the past, but they are alive in the memories that I have created with them. Friendship isn't a big thing. It is millions of small things that we celebrate together. We choose 5 different friends from this speech today, and we have got 5 rounds of questions and answers, games, and lots of fun. So let's get started. Friendship. How many years?
How many years?
Yes. Round 1. Do you know each other? So let's start with our first duo. Can you introduce each other? Now I need you to prove to me that you know your friend officially with proof. I will ask you a question and you need to write the detail about your friend in this notepad. And then we will confirm with your friend. So let's have the round. Do you know each other? Round 2. Guess the preference. I'll ask a question and we'll see who knows each other best. Life was meant for best friends and good adventures. So let us have a good adventurous time knowing each other. And let's know whether best friends really know each other. So let's start our first duo. Here we have your name, please.
Dilshan.
Your name, please.
My name is Sapna.
Okay. So we have Dilshad and Sapna from Sri Lanka. So let us introduce yourselves.
Yes, I'm Dilshan from Colombo,
Yes.
and she's my friend.
Okay. Yes, Sapna.
I'm from Sri Lanka.
Yes.
I'm from Matale.
Yes.
This is my friend.
Thank you. Okay. Now I need you to prove that you know each other. Okay. So how much do you know that they know each other? 100%, 80%, 90%? Anybody in the crowd? 100% they know each other? Yes? Okay, so they are saying they don't have an opinion about it. Okay, so now let me see. So I will ask you to write Sapna's mother's full name.
Full name?
Yes. Yes. So Sapna, can you confirm?
Mother's name is Subhana Krishnavati.
Okay. So can you show it? Okay. So did you enjoy it? Okay, now we go to the second round. I need you back to back. Don't look at each other again. So movie. Sabna is laughing. Write anything random. You can't say it, you have to write it. Okay, now you show. Now 1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah. Sapna, can you tell us your favorite movie?
Sayara.
Can you show it? Okay. Now you tell me. Would she be the sun or the moon? Means on her personality. So just write it.
No, I didn't get the.
Like, is she, sun means more of a day person, very vibrant and all. Moon means more calm, cool in the night, like that. So would she be the sun or the moon? No, you have to write. You have to write it. Yeah, yeah. You want me to ask another question? Okay, another question. Would she rather have the ability to fly or be invisible?
Fly.
You have to write, no? Yeah. Would she like to fly or be invisible? Yes, Sapna. What would you like to do?
Fly.
Okay, so they have matched, and thus let us give a long round of applause for them.
Egypt.
Yeah, Rom Amar from Egypt. And
Yes.
brother, you?
Islam from Egypt.
Islam. Islam from Egypt. Okay. So where have you both met each other? How long back is your friendship? How many years?
How many years?
Yes.
3 days.
3 days. So these are new friends we have got on our channel today. Great. And where have you both met?
Both
Met each other?
here.
Oh,
Salalah.
here in Salala.
Yeah.
So they have both met each other.
Yes.
Are you working together or?
Yes.
Yes, so they are working in the same place. So they have become good friends from 3 days.
Yes.
Okay. So now let us see. I know it's a big challenge for you to guess things about him. Okay.
Okay.
So now I will ask you some questions and you need to write it on the paper. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't answer it. Just write it on the paper and we will confirm with Brother Islam.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So now you need to tell me Brother Islam's birth date.
Brother.
When is his birth date? 3 days. We have to give them some.
I don't know.
Yeah, guess. But according to his personality. Okay, give me the birth month.
Maybe I guess مثلا
Guess the
the
month.
year, not the month.
Huh?
يعني the year, not the month.
Not the month. Okay, yes, sure. The year. Guess the year. See, we are going to come to know how old you are. Yes. So, Brother Islam, is this correct?
Yes.
Oh, yay! So, let's clap for them. Good, good. Okay, now comes to guess the preference, like what Brother Islam will like. Okay?
Okay.
So, we have, would Brother Islam be a computer or a mobile phone? In the sense, like a computer is something which you can keep in one place. A mobile phone you can take anywhere. No? So the
Mobile phone.
personality, yeah. So you just write. So Brother Islam, what would you like to be? A computer or a mobile phone? Yay! And the answer is mobile phone. Yes. So 3 days of friendship does make you know each other. Good. Good. Then, can you tell Brother Islam's favorite color? Just write, don't tell. Yes, Brother Islam, what is your favorite color? They both are really good friends in 3 days. Good. And then, can you tell the favorite place of Brother Islam in the whole world? Which is his favorite place? Yes, Brother Islam, which is your favorite place? Is it Mount? Oh yes, it is Egypt. They both belong to Egypt. But is it mountain, land? Is it desert? Is it sea? Oh yes, big applause for them. And 3 days of friendship. Brother Islam and brother knows that they love the sea. Good. Okay, so we have the third duo for our day today, and we have Mr. Sonu Singh and Miss Sara. And आप कहाँ से हैं? I will speak in Hindi, and then we'll have this challenge. So आप कहाँ से हैं?
India, Punjab.
इंडिया पंजाब से है, ठीक है. सो वेलकम टू सलाला. और ये हम आपका वीलॉग बनाने वाले हैं, हम आपको शूट करने वाले हैं, ठीक है. और ये एक बेस्ट फ्रेंड चैलेंज है, ठीक है. बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स जो मतलब करते हैं, तो हम आपके बारे में पूछेंगे. पहला ऑफिशियली आपका नाम क्या है, आपके मतलब कहाँ से आते हैं, आपके मम्मी पापा का नाम जैसा कोई. तो एक राउंड ऐसा रहेगा, मैं आपसे लिखाऊंगी और ये इनको गेस करना पड़ेगा, मीन्स बोलना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. तो अगर मैं इनको पूछूंगी इनके पापा का नाम, पूरा नाम क्या है, तो आपको लिखना पड़ेगा और फिर मैं चेक करूंगी, ये चेक करेगी कि वो सही है कि नहीं, ठीक है. ठीक है. फिर दूसरा मीन्स एक ऑफिशियली मीन्स जो बर्थ डेट है, बर्थ ईयर है, बर्थ मंथ है, वैसा, ठीक है. कौन सा भी एक क्वेश्चन पूछोगी, ठीक है. दूसरा राउंड होएगा गेस द प्रेफरेंस. प्रेफरेंस मतलब मैं अगर आपसे पूछूंगी कि इनका प्रेफरेंस क्या है, इनको कॉफी पसंद है या चाय पसंद है, फिर आप लिखेंगे, बोलेंगे नहीं, ठीक है. फिर ये बताएगी कि इनको क्या पसंद है. तो अगर वो मैच हो जाता है तो मतलब आप एक दूसरे को अच्छे से जानते हैं, ठीक है. फिर तीसरा जो है हम लोग एक राउंड रखेंगे, इधर सॉन्ग का राउंड रहेगा, डांस का, नहीं तो एक जैसा चैलेंज रहेगा, एक एक्टिविटी रहेगा, ठीक है. सो देखते हैं कि मतलब आप लोग कैसे एक दूसरे को जानते हैं, ठीक है. सो हियर वी हैव 2 बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. ओके, सो आपका नाम आप इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं.
मेरा नाम सोनू सिंह.
यस यस. तो ये है पंजाब इंडिया से, सलाला में हम इनसे मिल रहे हैं, ठीक है. और आप कितने साल से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं?
हम लोग कम से कम 8-10 साल से जानते हैं.
8-10 साल से जानते हैं, ठीक है. और अभी इनका चैलेंज शुरू होता है, तो अभी आप एक दूसरे को नहीं देखना है, थोड़ा बैक टू बैक हो जाओ, आपका पीठ वो बाजू. यस, ठीक है. आप लिखेंगे, मैं इनके बारे में पूछूंगी, करेक्ट? ठीक है. ये ले लो, ठीक है, ये पकड़ लो, ठीक है. सो मुझे बताना सारा का फेवरेट मूवी कौन सा है? बताना नहीं, लिखना
नहीं, यानी कि
कौन सा भी एक फेवरेट मूवी लिख दो.
पंजाबी में भी.
या पंजाबी में भी.
पंजाबी में भी लिखेगा.
अब सारा बताएगी कि उनका फेवरेट मूवी क्या है. वो अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड को मदद करना चाहती है. ठीक है. दूसरा राउंड, चलो. सारा का फेवरेट मूवी स्टार, हीरो कौन है?
पंजाबी में
यस, कौन सा भी, दुनिया में कौन सा भी लिख दो.
दिलजीत.
ठीक है. अभी सारा बताएगी उसका फेवरेट हीरो कौन है.
दिलजीत.
ये हम तो दोनों को नहीं मालूम है उसका फेवरेट। ठीक है। सारा सूरज बनना चाहती है या चांद? सूरज का मतलब बहुत वाइब्रेंट और दिन में शाइनिंग, चांद मतलब बहुत शांत और ये या
सूरजी है। सूरजी है।
हाँ नहीं नहीं पंजाबी में मत गल करो।
सूरजी है।
आप क्या बनना चाहती हैं? सो तालिया,
कहीं ज्यादा
दोनों
गर्म
ने
है।
दोनों ने अच्छे से गल किए और सूरज बन गए। ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच। We have our next duo now on Mission Michelle Empowered. So can you introduce yourselves?
Yeah, myself Gopinath,
And you? Okay. And you are from where?
Tamil Nadu,
Okay, from India?
India. Yeah.
Yes. So, can you tell me? I will be asking you a question in the first round, and you need to prove that you know Saravanan very good way. Okay? And then he has to show me a proof that it is correct, not that you all are friends and anything will do. Okay?
Okay.
On the second round, we will have again back to back. You'll have to guess what Saravanan likes or some favorite thing of his. Okay? And write it down.
Okay.
And the third thing, we'll give you a challenge. And then we have a truth and sip. So you will have like, I will ask you a question. If it is truth, Saravanan will not sip. If it is false, he will sip.
Okay.
Okay? Good. So now we start with our first round. So can you tell me the full name of Sarvanan's father?
Durai.
Yes? Yes. So let's give a great round of applause. Yes. Okay, so they have gone through the first round. Now next is guess the preference. So I will ask Saravanan, and then you need to write down on a pad. I will give Saravanan a pad. Yes. So yes, Saravanan. 1 minute. Steve, you don't need to. Yeah. Okay. So life was meant for best friends and good adventures. So what is the favorite place in the world for Gopi? What is your favorite place in the world? Favorite.
Not like that.
Yeah.
Bedroom.
Okay, always. Okay, another one. Would Gopi like to be an actor? Would Gopi like to be an actor or director? You have to write it down. So Gopi, what would you like to be?
Director.
Oh, yay! So Saravanan guessed it right. Good. Then, where was the first time you met? Gopi. So where did you meet Gopi, Saravanan, for the first time?
At our office station.
Yes, at VTS. Oh, good. So they have both very shared memories. Huh? No. Friendship. How many years?
How many years?
Yes.